community as soon as possible. So my plea, sir, because at this point I am treating, sir, I give you the patient details also. Patient with severe COVID, moderate pneumonia. Ideally, he should have been in the ICU. I know the doctors in managing that hospital. I'm not able to get her admitted, 49-year-old, wife of a senior officer, and treating at home with dexamethasone, sir, at this point of time, sir. आज 12 दिन हो गए, सर. तो मेरे को पता है इसी तरह से सारी जगह ये चीज हो रही होगी. और सर ये सर्व जो है ये और आएगी और मैं चिंतित हूँ. अब बच्चे इसमें ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्व हैं सर. पहले वो बेचारे घर पे रहते थे लॉकडाउन के उसमें, अब वो बाहर निकलने लगे हैं और बच्चे जो हैं जब भी बीमार होते हैं वो ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के ऊपर क्लेम करते हैं और वो इन्फेक्शन फिर उनके पास जाता है और बड़ा एटिपिकल मैनिफेस्टेशन है. इट इज़ नॉट ओनली दे विल प्रेजेंट लाइक एडल्ट पेशेंट, दे आर ऑल टुगेदर डिफरेंट and that is also happening at this point of time. So my plea is, sir, we need to look at the manpower. It is not only the nurses, we have the OTA we have to look for. We have to look for how we pull the resident doctors. We have to curtail, sir. Maybe we have to cut our clinics at this point of time and then do morning OPDs as we are doing in a little bit.
So I'll come to that. I have a suggestion. So thank you, Dr. Durrari. We'll take that up. I just wanted to finish the list that I had so that we are making sure that we've covered everything. I had also requested that we try and ask our students to be online, and those who want to go home should be encouraged to go home, because we don't want the hostel to become a super spreading event. It's very difficult in the mess or in the hostel to have physical distancing. So just wanted some information for Dr. Sandeep Agarwal. What is the...
Good morning, sir. Sir, as of now, amongst the undergraduate MBBS students, 40% of the boys have gone home, but 60% are still around. And amongst the girls, the ratio is again around 40 to 50% have gone home. Amongst the BSc nursing undergraduate students, about 70% have gone home. So these students who are remaining here are usually the interns amongst the MBBS who are working on duty, and also some of the final year and second year students who are having their what is called the exam, which is the redo exam.
Okay.
So few of them are there, but then there are students whom we are trying to persuade to go home. There are foreign nationals in each year who are unable to go because they come from very far.
We should encourage as many as we can if they could go home, because that is also something that we need to do, because as you know, we have some undergraduate students admitted in Jhajjar as a cluster, because they all sit together, have their meals together. It's difficult to have COVID appropriate behavior in a hostel where the toilets are common. So it's important that we start encouraging them also to go home.
So while you will continue, I'll just quickly quip in that these students who are in a higher grade like 4th and 5th year might be required to help us, and also we have to look at whether we should continue with the exit exam, because we want to hold our force. If they allow them to exit, then they generally don't stay. And therefore, we should look at this aspect also.
So exit is postponed. That's actually now being held in June only. All the exams which are supposed to be held in end of April, May, our final exams, we have postponed that to June. One other thing I just wanted to, two other things. One is basically just again both the trauma center and NCI to make sure that the supply is good enough, because we will start requiring HFNCs in large number of patients, which is something which is at sometimes 60 liters per minute. So please make sure that we have enough oxygen. I think we have already installed a new plant, if I'm not mistaken, in NCI, the liquid oxygen. And so we've done that also in trauma center. I just wanted an update on that.
So we have an existing 13 KL tank. To that we've added another 10 KL tank.
That is now
yes,
operational.
And we've got temporary permission to operate it from PESO.
So permission has been given?
It's on the way, but we've given the docket number, and so we are getting it filled.
No, but follow it up and get it ASAP.
They wanted the docket number, Inox, we've given it, they'll fill it up today.
आज भरवा दो उसको.
Good morning, sir. At NCI, sir, we have a 13 kiloliter oxygen plant operational now, and we have a 6-cylinder